Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Samatha Learn and Grow. In this video, we are going to do addition and subtraction by using big friends formula. Minus 1 is equal to minus 10 plus 9 and minus 10 is equal to minus 100 plus 90. Okay, let us start. First one, 49 minus 19 plus, minus 21 plus 30. Clear the scale and let us start. 49 minus 19 minus 21. In the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I have to take minus 1 is equal to minus 10, add 9, big friends formula. Next add 30. So what is the answer? 39. Clear the scale. Next 63 plus 35 minus 28 minus 51. 63 plus 35 minus 28 minus 51. As it is in the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I have to take minus 10 plus 9. So what is the answer now? 1919. Clear the scale. Next 81 plus 17 minus 28 minus 11. 81 plus 17 minus 28 minus 11. In the tens place rod I can do directly, but in the ones place rod minus 1 is not available, so I am taking big friends formula. Minus 1 is equal to minus 10, add 9. So what is the answer? 59. Okay, next 99 minus 29 minus 51 plus 70. 99 minus 29 minus 51. So in the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I am taking minus 10, add 9, big friends formula, and add 70. So what is the answer? 89. Clear the scale. 38 plus 60 minus 38 plus minus 51. In the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I am taking big friends formula. Minus 10, add 9. So what is the answer? Single digit 9. Clear the scale. 82 minus 22 plus 10 minus 61. 82 minus 22 plus 10 minus 61 minus 61. In the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I am taking minus 1 is equal to minus 10, add 9. So what is the answer? Single digit 9. Clear the scale. 160 is equal to 160 minus 51 plus 70 minus 121. So 160 and minus 51. In the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I am taking minus 10, add 9, big friends formula. Next plus 70 minus 121. So what is the answer? 58. Next 185 minus 15 minus 11. In the tens place rod, 1 I can remove 1, but in the ones place rod I can't remove ones place rod minus 1, so I have to take minus 1 is equal to minus 10, add 9. Next add 30. So what is the answer? 189. Clear the scale. 272 minus 52 plus 510 minus 211. So 272 minus 52 plus 510. Next minus 211. So in the ones place rod, minus 1 is not available, so I am taking big friends formula. Minus 10, add 9. So what is the answer? 519. 519. Okay friends, done with the sums. In the next video we are going to do big friends formula. Minus 2 is equal to minus 10 plus 8. Okay, minus 10 plus 8 formula regarding sums. Okay, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye.